Tech School has been able to help my boy to get to discover what he wants to study, what he wants to have as a career. Very profound for me. The fact that he's been able to discover himself.
At the beginning, I was thinking they had known enough at this stage. I didn't really know it was possible to actually build on that or if they could handle it. Okay, so that was why I wanted to give it a try. But it was so good because it was like a new environment. They loved it. They were excited about it, very willing to learn. And they were so zealous with their classes. And thank God it's been a good experience. It's been a good journey for them.
It has been, from glory to glory for this child. I'm so happy. If not for this program, I wouldn't know that my child, is this intelligent actually, because he plays a lot. I didn't know. He can sit down for an hour, 2 hours to listen. My son is restless, but in this program, he will sit down for 2 hours without blinking an eye. If he wants to go and wee here, his speed, piam, is back. Honestly. You guys have taught him patience. You've taught him patience. You taught my son patience.
It means a lot to me. Because as a child growing up, I never had this kind of opportunity. That is why I always try as much as possible to give him that which I feel children should have. You understand? And this is one of it. And me seeing my own child at 13 doing this is a thing of joy for me.
It's a privilege that most of us never had. That our children will be exposed to technologies like this. It's not the money, it's not it's the way your coaches have been able to flexibly handle these children to bring them to this level up to speed, to be able to have this confidence to do something for themselves. I really appreciate this platform. May God bless you guys.
My experience is good so far. One is sincerity. I remember when we spoke, you said, I should pay. I've been scammed before. Will it work? Truly, I was kind of doubtful. But I said, okay, no problem. Let me pay. And then you said, I have to do it online. You remember I asked, I said, no, I would prefer an account that I would just transfer to. You said, no, ma'am, you can do it easy. And we did, and it was easy. I said, will this work? Being a Nigerian and an accountant, forgive me for that. So, lo and behold, I just saw some days to the class. Information was coming timely. I said, wow, these people are really good. And most of the prompting comes before the class. We don't have to run after you for kind of lectures or whatever. At the right time, everything just worked. You people just made it to work, and I'm really impressed.
For that parent that is still dragging their feet, I would say this is time to take action. Tech School will help spark up that interest and love for technology for your kids. It will help them. So sparking up that interest to know, is this the field I want to? Do I really love coding? Is it front end? Is it back end? So Tech School helps to spark up that interest, that love for technology. So don't drag your feet. Bring your children now and enroll in Tech School.
First of all, Tech School is here to stay. I think that's just the very first thing. To imagine that these guys did all of this in less than 4 or 5 weeks. So well done. It just shows that you do have a curriculum that works. It shows that your delivery methodology recognizes the strengths of each child and that you are looking at the interests of the child as well and saying, you know what, how can I make this work for the child? So well done.
The world has changed. Failure to adapt means failure to exist. The world has become what you guys are learning right now. So Dad and Mom is very, very smart to put you into Tech School because they've given you one of the best foundations ever. They've given you something different from the traditional form of education. For you guys to be able to do what you're doing right now, the future is not just bright. The future belongs to you.